everyone. In this video, I will talk about range, which is again another sequential data type in Python along with list and the tuple. So this is a very small function and it is used to create a collection of numbers on the fly, say 0, 1, 2 and all those. So this topic is quite small. I can walk you through. So it returns a sequence of numbers starting with 0 and it has a function which, or you can say a function which takes parameters as start, stop and step. So start denotes which number to start from, stop denotes which would be your last number or which number do you want to stop, and step means how many steps you need to increment between start and stop. So this is that's all you need to know about it. I can quickly show you using the code. I'm on my Jupyter notebook and here I can define range as, let's say, 4, and say print numbers. I will mark S here. Okay, so you can see that it is showing you the range as ranges from 0 to 4. Now what if you want to print all the numbers falling in between? So for that, what you can do is you can use the for loop. I will talk about the loops in my subsequent videos, but just have a look because we need to understand this topic, particularly the range. So for number in numbers, and just go ahead and print number. So what these two lines are doing is it is iterating through this numbers variable which is holding the range from till 4, and it is picking each and every single number and just printing onto the console. So you can see that it is showing 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, if you want, you can define different range. Let's say you are not interested in numbers from 0 to 4, you are interested in numbers from 4 to 7. So in that case, we can define our range as range, and your starting would be 4. Stop number would be, stop is the second parameter which we saw, 7. And if you're not giving anything as a third parameter, it will by default increment as 1. So I can quickly show you by providing you 2 here, and for I will print it out so that you can visualize it easily. Print number. You can see that number started with 4 and then it's keep incrementing with steps 2. So 4, then 6, then plus 2 is 8, but 8 is the stop position, so that's the reason 8 is not included here. So if I am saying here 10, then you may surely see 8 in the output. So this is how it is. And one more important application you may see is like whenever you want to iterate through the string. So let's say you have a string named speaker, and here you can very well use it. Is one of the most common use of range, and here we are saying that iterate through all the characters of Shweta. So first of all I'm figuring out the length. What is the length? And then we need to print, this is the index and speaker and the position which is I. So now you can see that it iterated through this string Shweta. 0, S is at 0, H is at 1, and you can see that the and A is at 5. So there are 6 letters in this word Shweta. So this is how you can utilize the range function, and probably you need to remember the syntax because this is one of the most common use of range, even I have done. Next thing is, let's say if you want to print the same thing in the reverse order, how can you do that? So I will keep speaker variable and assigning it with Shweta. Now here for I in, instead of range, what we can say, reversed. And inside reverse you can pass in the range, and range will take the length, and that's all, we are done. So I and speaker, the index which we need to mention, And here this time you can see that it is printed in reverse order 543210 and ATEWHS. So this is how you can utilize this small function range. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you in next video with another interesting topic. Till then, keep watching.